Hello everybody, this time I'm going to talk about the video here. My name is Mauricio Fontalvo and I will share each step mentioned in the video. The first step is relax. The second step is don't try to translate. The third step is choose the context to help you understand. The fourth step is practice with different situations and voices. And the fifth step is make a study plan. They asked me, at the beginning of the video, they talk about some situations. Name at least two of those situations. Well, the first situation is that if I hear a teacher speaking British English slowly and clearly, is it difficult or easy for me to understand? Maybe. And the second is that if I go on a train and there are four non-native people who speak English with different accents, will I have difficulty understanding what they speak? Well, I think it will be a little more difficult to understand the language in this last situation. In the minute 331, other language is spoken. What language was that? This language is Portuguese. Which are the two rules for the fifth step? Okay, the two rules are, the first rule is do something every day, and the second rule is do something different every day. For the first rule, they proposed a plan to listen to English 50 or 20 minutes a day. For the second rule, they proposed the following plan. They propose do something different every day of the week. For example, listen to songs in English 2 or 3 times, or watch 15 minutes of an old movie in English, or call a friend and talk to him in English. What kind of lesson plan would you propose? The plan I propose is how I like movies to listen to them in English without subtitles and try to understand the situations. How to stick to your plan? Well, choose the genre of movie that you like and listen to them in English. Having in mind the video, where can you obtain material to practice English? Okay, in Google there are many materials and links of free course that can help me with the study. Okay, see you later. Thank you.